Hi, Brooke. Just taking a look at your self-portrait project. I'm noticing one of the files is a JPF. That's not right. That's not even a file type, I don't think. When I went to download, it shows up as, I tried to change the file extension on it because it said JPF. So I was like, well, maybe if I just change the name of the file, I'll be able to open it. That was not the case. So I can't even view your JPEG file. When I go to open your PDSD file, there's no layer information in here. It's a completely flat image, which is an issue. Normally I'd be able to see all the layer information. Here's like an example of what I'm saying. You know, I can turn the different layers off. This is a different student's piece, but so I can't really do a lot with this layer. I can't really, I can check, you know, that you're in CMYK, can make sure this is the right size, which it isn't. It's supposed to be 8.5 by 11, and so it's 7 by 5. So we have the wrong size here. A lot of these this image and this image are quite blurry, and then this is M&M, I believe, but it's right on the edge, which I would say that needs to be made smaller and maybe centered with these two circle images. You know, I would make these smaller or find new images that aren't blurry. This looks fine because it is actually a fairly decent quality. It's not like blurry. This one's fairly blurry, and the clipping job on it, like the white is still showing. You could do a select color range, and then with the eyedropper you can click on the color that you want to isolate and it will select that, and we could, you know, get rid of it. But of course, since I don't have your layers, I can't work with this file very well in a way I'd like to show you. So there's quite a few issues with this. If you want to try to resubmit, I can take a look at this and maybe update your grade, because I do need a PSD file with the layers in it. If you somehow saved over that or lost it, then let me know. Sometimes that does happen, and it does affect your grade, but we can try and work around that a little bit. But if you have it, do get it to me. And also resubmit your JPEG file. You know, you would do that, you do a JPEG by going to File, Save a Copy, and then, you know, putting the format on JPEG. Make sure to get rid of this extra copy text that it puts in there. And then save that. So I'd basically be replacing your file there, which isn't working. I'm not going to replace it, but that's how you would export out the JPEG, or File, Save a Copy. Okay, and then just make sure you get the drop down to JPEG here. So try that again and take the copy off the file name, obviously, on the JPEG that saves out. Make sure the extension is .jpg on the JPEG. All right, I will put a grade in there for what you have so far, and then if you want to try and resubmit to improve your grade, then go ahead. You may have to email me to let me know that you've resubmitted so that I know to go in and check and grade it. All right, thanks. Bye.